Hello everybody, it's Janko here from Surviveware. Outside my window I can see quite clearly that it's spring. The sun is making its appearance, the birds are chirping, the squirrels are running around, the trees are starting to bud. It seems no one told them that the human race are in quite a bit of a pickle. I've been looking forward to the end of winter since the fall. I want to go outside, I want to spend time, get some sun on my face, spend time in nature. But that's not going to happen because the governor of Virginia just told us that we need to spend time in our houses until early June-ish, which is crazy. So if I make another video at the end of this month, I wouldn't be surprised if some of you guys are going to start seeing the veins coming through my pale and translucent like skin. However, I pay that price gladly, because now is the time to take care of each other, to visit our friends, to take care of our families, extended families at a distance. We need to spend time inside. However, humans are the most peculiar things, because if you look at people in general, you know, the younger generation as well, they're on their phones like this, hunched over, talking to their friends, spending time indoors. However, as soon as you tell them you're not allowed to go outside, they want to go outside. And I can see kids outside running around on their bicycles. They want to be outside just like me. However, now is the time not to do that, to practice social distancing and to be responsible. And even if you're a younger person, you're not that scared of it. It's a deadly disease, and you might infect someone that should not be infected, that had their immune system compromised in some way. So you need to be prepared, and the person that won the March sweepstakes is going to be prepared. They're walking away with this. We're going to sell this for $300 in a few months. The Big Red, our 72-hour survival backpack, everything you need for 2 people to stay safe during an emergency. I'm not going to say who it is yet, because of course I've got a little spiel as always. The new sweepstakes is already live, and this is the most winners that we've ever done. 20 people are going to win. We're doing a small, tiny, minuscule little thing for people that are part of Surviveware and that follow us. And so the winners are each going to get the Survival Small First Aid Kit. They are going to get 10 disposable masks and 10 pairs of gloves, which I'm going to send to each one of the 20 winners free of charge. We're going to choose the winner on May 1st, just like I'm doing now. So how do you win? You go to www.survivor.com/sweepstakes. You enter your name there and you're entered into the competition. Then you share to get some points. You follow us on social media. That is also some points, and the more points you have, the more entries you have, the higher your chances of winning. So now I'm going to get to this month's winner. Now, there were people in the competition that had 2,000 points, and I'm a betting man, and I would have bet, okay, well, number 1, 2 or 3, either one of them is going to win. But that did not happen, because the winner this month, she came in with 30 points only, and she's going to walk away with an awesome prize. So without further ado, Kathleen Cochran, congratulations on winning it. You had 30 points, you won this thing, and our competitions are chosen by a bot. I don't have anything to do with it, so congratulations on winning. That just shows everybody that it doesn't matter how many points you have, you can win. She got 30 points. That means she followed us on YouTube, she became a subscriber, and she got 1 friend to join, because that's 20 points for a friend and 10 points last month for YouTube. 30 points. So anybody can win this thing. Just because you don't have 2,000 points, it doesn't mean you can win. This proves it. However, this month, for this month's sweepstake, there's going to be 20 prizes. So you have a very good chance of winning. And if you just get a few points, 30, 50, I mean, you're going to be in the money, and you're going to have a great chance of winning. So that's it from me. Guys, practice good hygiene. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. We call it hand washing, but I like to think of it as destroying viruses and a virus takes 20 seconds to die or to be killed. So don't just do this for 5 seconds, 20 seconds. And I mean, we are reduced to penguins at the moment because this is how I open doorknobs. We just got to do things like that. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks for being part of Surviveware. Join us at surviveware.com/sweepstakes, and I'll chat to you guys soon.